Okay. Here's Peggy jumping on Willie from a different side. This is quite the event today. Come on, Peg. You can do it. Whoa! Oh,
did you get that on camera?
yeah!
We knew that was coming.
Holy shit, she almost hit my face. Come here, Magic, come here.
Oh, God. You can try this again. Okay. Wow, I can hardly wait to watch the replay.
Wait a minute, set yourself on fire first. It'll be more exciting.
Hi, Magic. Wait a minute. Okay, Peg. Go away, Magic. We're taking a picture of Peggy.
See what it is he jumped sideways and that bumped her, and that's why she spooked. So he's reacting to you jumping on him.
He's never done this before. No, I think it's because I gave meat to peppermint.
Yeah, it had to be the food.
Well, they're fighting over the last peppermint in my pocket.
Okay, Peg. Oh. You know, Suzanne said you have to visualize. Now take a moment. Visualize yourself getting on.
Visualization reduces the gravitational constant. And then you'll be able to get on.
Why don't we do this more often? This is just so much fun. Okay. There. Oh, stop laughing. Don't laugh. You lose all your energy. Okay, take a deep breath.
You got it. You got it.
There you go. Okay. Beautiful. You get a cookie now. All right, now.
No, I think we got to see the replay to see what happens.
If you amble over here by Magic.
I don't think I'm going to be able to pick up that.
If Mark could be more helpful, he could pick up the lead and give it to you. Mark?
I'm doing important botanical.
Are you checking the fence? Did you see the fence line? It's nice, it's reinforced on either side.
Okay.
Can you hand me Magic's lead line?
Now, we will have the proper ponying situation.
Magic, Magic. Come on, sweetheart. We're going. Come on, Magic, good girl.
Going for cookies. Okay, I'm going to try to walk. So Josie, I know that this is very difficult to do. Walk with this camera, so I think I'm going to shut it off now.